to show you how to change the sensor in the 3M carbon monoxide monitor. The monitor itself is the same in all of the 3M panels, so the process of changing the sensor is going to be the same as well. So why would you change the sensor in your monitor? Essentially, if you're having trouble to calibrate the monitor, it's a good possibility that your sensor is bad. You're going to want to check to make sure that your calibration gas is not expired and that you actually have calibration gas in your bottles. Do those things first and then look at the sensor itself. So if you've got some really bouncing numbers on the monitor display, so if you put on the span gas and you are getting readings that read really variable, or if you're not able to zero the monitor, it's a good indication your sensor is bad. Also, if you get a code SC on the monitor display, that indicates a sensor failure. So I've got my new sensor here. The sensor comes with a jumper on it. You're going to want to remove the jumper. Okay? And then you'll loosen the thumb screws off the bottom of the monitor to access the sensor. Okay, there's our sensor. And it's connected to the monitor via the circuit board, so you can just pull that circuit board out. There's some pins that connect directly to the sensor. Okay, so I've got my old sensor, and I'll pull it out of the housing. And I've got my new sensor. There's some pins, and you can only orient the sensor one way to get it inserted into the circuit board properly. And put it back in the sensor housing. Fit it back there. Okay, and then I'll tighten my thumb screws. And then once I've got the thumb screws on, my last step really is to then just calibrate the monitor, make sure it calibrates properly, and then I'm ready to go.